Alright, you know the drill, you know this, how it happens, so take it away.
Hello guys. Thank you sa lahat ng pumunta. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Please follow my social media account, Chino de Guzman, and Armstrong Fitness po. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Alright, there you go. Armstrong Fitness and Chino de Guzman. Armstrong Fitness is where you go to the gym. Diyan ka pa nag-gym? Fitness. Nagtutuho ka doon. Ano yung page na yan?
Business po. Sarili business.
Alright, congratulations to Chino. You have your own business right now. Of course, we'll be more than happy to promote that and support you on your endeavors. Now, let's move on to Axel. Hindi ko makakalimutan si Axel kasi nandiyan ang kanyang pinsan ng talagang kapatid. Alright, take it away, Axel.
Hi, good afternoon. Thank you so much for supporting all the candidates of Summer Bodies 2025. And to my sister and to my cousin, thank you so much for coming here and support me. And please follow my social media account. In IG is Axel Maldo. And so in Facebook page, Facebook is Axel Maldo. And also, thank you so much for Fitforge for helping me to build this kind of facility. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You can follow him on his social media pages. That's Axel Maldo. And kung gusto nyo, maging ganda ang katawan ninyo, you can go to Fitforce. Alright, now, at number 3.
Hi guys, thank you for watching us. And I am Mandate Brian Team. My social media account is Brian Mandate. And I hope you support the winners here. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mark Anthony Babilan. I'm from Nicolo Rizal. You can follow me at TikTok. I'm a TikTok influencer and TikTok influencer and streamer.
Hello guys, salamat po sa pumunta. Sana po yung nag-enjoy po kayong lahat. Thank you po.
Fancy hop number 4. You know, ano daw yung TikTok channel? How do you guys follow hop number 4?
You can add me as Marky15. I'm Mark Anthony Babilan. Thank you.
Alam mo na. Salamat ka sa akin. Alright, hop number 6.
Hello po. Maraming salamat po sa nanood sa amin. Yun lang po.
Hello everyone, my name is Jenner V. Aviles, 16 from Antipolo.
Hello everyone, thank you for coming. Follow my page, my FB account, Ken Lagrimas, and follow the page is NGL Hub, my gym fitness industry. Thank you so much.
Good evening everyone. Beaver Eduardo, 23 years old from Quezon City. I would like to thank my hunter dahil tinanggap niya ako kahit first timer. Thank you very much po sa pagiging mabait. Then sa staff din na tumulong sa akin para makasali. Maraming pong salamat. Then sa lahat po na sumusuporta ng event na to, meron po tayong page, pakifollow na lang para mas mag-update po tayo sa mga candidate na mananalo. Yan lang po, maraming salamat.
First of all po, thank you po sa Angel at saka sana pa nag-enjoy ka. Yun lang po, thank you.
Hello, good evening. My name is Paul, 23, Pampanga. Thank you po sa nagpapasok sa amin. Dapat hindi na ako makakasali, mabul kami dito sa pageant. Kasi tayo talaga yung babalik-balikan ng lahat. Yan. And shoutout sa fitness gym. Shoutout sa inyo. Yan. Dahil mo lang kayo.
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si James from Bulacan po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nakikita rito. Salamat po at nakakabulong din po kami din. Shoutout po sa CrossFit Gym po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Maraming salamat. Panapalaran ng 12 homes natin para sa hapon na ito. Shout out to their gyms. Oh boy. Parang di yata nangyari sa katawan ko ever yan. Well, nangyari naman, kaso nagising ako, tapos panaginip lang pala siya. Kidding aside, let's move on to big number 1. Big number 1, take it away.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Darren B, 23 from San Mateo, Rizal. And binabati ko nga po yung supportive boyfriend ko. I love.
So so much at may mga fans ka din doon. All the way up our fans. Of course, sa kanyang boyfriend is very supportive. Importante talaga yung support. I love it when the families, the loved ones are supporting their, of course, the hunks and babes. Kasi syempre iba yung boost, di ba? Ako? Okay. You can fix yourself first. We don't want any trending things in the event. Don't worry, ito wala na talaga. This is not part, of course, of the judging. The judges are actually tabulating the scores. Ito ay, para mas relax kayo. Believe it or not, ang dami ko nakuha ng trabaho po sa mga handlers ng iba sa inyo. They give me hosting jobs. And of course, they follow me on so many social media pages, though I don't really promote right now myself as much as I sell property. So, malaking tulong talaga siya. So, be relaxed, connect with the audience, and probably we'll see you guys again at the fashion show. Babe number 3?
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Giselle from Antipolo City. And thank you sa mga nanood. This is my first time.
Thank you so much, Giselle. I just want to say, wala naman namatay sa heels mo. No? Grabe, ang taas yan eh. Alright, now let's move on to babe number 4.
Good evening everyone, my name is Niana Lim. You can follow me on IG, Niana Lim. Thank you so much guys.
Thank you, and of course, naalala ko din yung name mo because I follow Niana, di ba? One the famous influencer, TikTok, na dancer. Minsan nangarap din ako maging dancer. Ang babe number 5.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Jane D. Rodriguez, 18 years old from San Mateo, Rizal. And gusto ko po sanang magpasalamat kay Mama Big as my handler kasi po, actually po, kagabi lang po niya ako in-invite. And thankful po kasi kaya naman po. And syempre po, thank you rin po sa boyfriend ko na nandito. Thank you po.
Shout it out sa kanyang boyfriend din na nandito din. Ayan, I believe he's over there. Ayan, supporting partner as well. And shout it out to your manager. Sometimes talaga yung mga biglaan, yun yung natutuloy, di ba? At mali mo, mag-move on ka din sa grand finals at pakita ulit kita. Pabarkada usually ganyan, di ba? Uy, magkita naman tayo. Schedule natin. Simulang mangyayari. Pero yung mga biglaan, kadalasan yung pa yung blessing talaga, di ba? Dami ko lang sinasabi kasi tagal nila mag-score, oh. Nakikita ko na. Alright, and last but not the least, babe number 6.
I just wanted to greet all the people here in Isitan. Hello, good evening! And I wanted to thank my manager and my makeup artist as they are the backbone of this show, especially the board of judges. And I am so happy to be here in front of you tonight. It's a great privilege and opportunity. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, babe number 6. Baka si babe number 6 may experience na. You joined pageant team before. Alright, there you go. The way they speak, even babe number 5, the way she speaks na nangyayari. 7:30 na. 7:30. Alright, now last but not the least, hindi ka makakaligtas, babe number 2.
Pleasant evening to everyone. My name is Loriana Albano, 21 years old, from North Caloocan City. Thank you, sana nag-enjoy po kayo lahat noon ngayon sa Summer Buddies Quest. And also thank you sa manager ko, Ms. Lizal Barrientos and Nanay Donnie Laguman. Thank you!